A trusted partner for Australian industry, Insignia has been helping our customers compete since 1968. We do this by providing world-class labelling and coding solutions, as well as thermal printing, scanning and mobility products, designed to give our customers the leading edge. Our labels use quality thermal stocks designed to enhance your brand and protect your hardware. Graphic designers assist with colour and dye recommendations and label design and layout. Using the latest flexographic technology ensures superior and consistent print results for your labels, and national production hubs in Brisbane and Melbourne ensure efficient supply of stock. Account managers continually review label specifications and application considerations to drive improvements and contain costs. We supply top-tier thermal printing and mobility brands, including Datamax O'Neill, Zebra, Honeywell and more. With these brands, we provide a wide range of label and receipt printers, barcode scanners and mobility solutions. Insignia is the sole Australian distributor of Domino, the global leaders in marking and coding technologies, including inkjet, laser, print and apply labelling and more. We provide national coverage across Australia, with warehouses located in major capital cities and flexible on-site storage options available. Our national technical support team incorporates both field technicians and a centralised help desk, ensuring that we can continue protecting our customers' planned production time.